On the verge of eclipsing 6 million, underscoring that the pandemic now is in its third year, being far from over.
The milestone is the latest tragic reminder of the unrelenting nature of the pandemic, even as many countries around the world are seeing death numbers fall or reopening their economies and learning to live with the virus. But it's a different picture in Hong Kong, where the death toll is soaring. Authorities there are testing the entire population of 7.5 million 3 times this month as they cling to mainland China's zero-COVID strategy. The territory is struggling to put its corpses to rest. Health department officials have admitted the problems, including the difficulty in handling corpses with refrigerated containers, providing extra space for bodies.
A rising number of the patients pass away in the emergency department, and that's why the hospital have to use up their own mortuary capacity to hold up some of the corpses. And the bottleneck will be, one, will be the transfer. Second, will be the capacity of the public mortuary as well as the hospital mortuary. So now we have to deal with it with more refrigerated container in the hospital. And also, I think Dr. Au mentioned in previous day about how to increase the capacity of the public mortuary.
Meanwhile, a little different, New York City is lifting some of its strictest COVID-19 prevention measures as officials in big cities around the U.S. push for a return to normalcy after 2 grueling years of the pandemic.
New York City, which has had the nation's toughest COVID safety protocols, has done away with several of its mandates, including required masking in public schools and vaccination requirements at restaurants, entertainment, and cultural venues. Recently, New York City has been averaging just under 680 new COVID cases and 25 deaths each day, down from nearly 41,000 new cases and nearly 130 deaths per day at the height of the Omicron wave in January. The virus continues to hospitalize and kill New Yorkers with greater frequency now than it did last summer and through much of the fall, when many of the vaccination and school masking rules were imposed. Around 4,000 city residents have died of the virus since January 1st, more than in the previous 9 months combined.
To get out today is get out today. It's a nice day. Get out, visit a restaurant. Our children don't have to wear masks. Let's shop locally. What the councilwoman is reminding us. Let's get out. Let's get back into our city. Let's enjoy our city.